really hurt.
I think I just...
Yeah, that got me. I've given a bunch of scrap wood. My garden is looking pretty scrap too. So I'm gonna build
a little veggie box.
so we can have fresh herbs and veggies all year long. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in just 10 easy steps. And see how you can do this for yourself at your house too. Ow, that really hurt.
I think I just...
Yeah, that got me. So step one is the vision. You need vision. Without vision, people perish, and so does veggie gardens. Step two, you've got to measure everything to see how big and how wide and how long everything is. I just broke my tape measure. It's not part of the build. All fixed, it was just stuck. So step number three is simply to measure all the different pieces that you need and then cut. Now that all your pieces are cut, you're gonna start assembling. Yeah. Okay, so we've got these 4 done. We have to do 4 more. Let's go. Step 4, almost done. Just gotta do the bottoms and then we can start assembling them where we want them to be. Alright, so the vision is slowly coming alive. You've watched this over a couple of seconds, but it's taken me about 3 days, and here we are so far. Step number 5, we have to level everything out because it is uneven, and I don't like uneven. So grab one of these and start leveling everything out. Just look, much better. Yeah, somebody. Right, now that these are looking pretty good, now we're gonna start filling them up. So what I was told is you gotta do bigger sticks and then smaller twigs, then your sand and then your compost, and then you can start planting stuff. So here we go. Okay, so like many things, I make a lot of mistakes. I was a little bit too eager. I first need to put down some cardboard and then the sticks and then the twigs and then the leaves and then the soil and compost. Let's try this again. All right, all the twigs are in, and now it's time for the soil. "60 centimeters by 1.2 by 30 centimeters deep, and it's taken 6 bags of 20 kg soil to fill up and be ready for planting. So that's kind of what you're going to be in for. Obviously, we've put twigs down, we've put bigger logs down, and some leaves, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like after you're done. I'm very excited to plant.
Put Swiss chard here and celery.
Let's go. Swiss chard and celery
Yeah.
in for the first one. Are you excited?
I'm very pumped. Daisy's going to be 2 by the time we can eat it. So actually Daisy's going to be 2 months old.
Bro, I was like 2 years old. I'm going to Woolworths right now. Okay.
Swiss chard takes 60 days to harvest, and the celery takes 90 days, so 3 months.
Come on.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go. There goes the first bit of water. Sick. Okay, there's still a whole bunch more to do here, but we're really excited. So 6 bags of soil there, which means 12 bags there and 12 bags there. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags left, which means I have to go get some more. But I got my bags of soil at Living Earth here in Belito. You go and pay at Sugar Rush. You take your little slip to the Living Earth container, like on your way to Fairview. If you don't know where that is, sorry, Google it. And then yeah, they load you up with bags, and here we are. I heard it's the best, so
we'll see what happens. I'm excited. But if you are still watching at this point, we are almost done with this little veggie garden renovation. I just received 14 more bags of compost and soil. We're about to fill the last box, which is pretty exciting. And then we've just received a bunch of grass from Living Earth, and we're going to kind of flatten out this area and put the grass in, and then yeah, then we'll see the big change. But hope you've enjoyed this video so far. We are almost done with this little veggie garden reno. Let's go. We're finally there. All the soil is in where it needs to be, and so now we're going to prepare the soil over here for some new grass. It is hot as heck out here. But now that it's leveled out, we're going to put the compost on. Let's go. Foundation is done. Time to put the grass in. So this is it. We're finally done. All the veggies are planted, the grass is in. The design changed a little bit, but it looks really cool and I'm really happy with it. Now we just see if it actually grows. Hope you liked this video. If you want more, subscribe and follow along, because there's a whole bunch more to do. This side may look good, but this side doesn't. Oh dear. I'm gonna have to come up with something for that. Maybe let me know in the comments what you think I should do over here and over there and up there. Peace. The rest of the steps, they're in the comments section. Go look over there.